How to sign in with Google on OnlyFans. Hello and welcome to 1 2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can sign in with Google on OnlyFans. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type onlyfans.com, the official website of OnlyFans. Then press enter to search it. Once it loads, you will reach to this interface of OnlyFans website. Here at the right side, you will see the login sector. Below, you will see various options from which you can sign in on your OnlyFans account. Within it, you will also see sign in with Google option. Just click on it and you will be taken to this interface. Here, click on the Google account you are using currently and then click on this continue button. After a while, you will see you have successfully signed in with Google on OnlyFans. So in this way, you can sign in with Google on your OnlyFans account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.